Hello guys, we the students of Schmal University of ADVANCed. Currently we are pursuing master's degree in mechatronics and robotics, which is offered by the Department of Mechanical Engineering. And now we would like to present the project we are working on.
We are a group of 7 master students who are working in collaboration with a company called ADVA Optical Networking SC on a project titled Autonomous Component Assembly under the guidance of Professor Dr. Frank Stodel.
ADVA is one of the topmost European network and telecommunication companies that provides equipments for network transport, network security, and encryption. It is headquartered in München and it has its facility in Meiningen.
Our project is aimed at providing an automated solution for the autonomous and independent assembly of the component into the slot present within the external housing. For our initial prototype, we are using the Epson Scala robot, which is already present in our university laboratory.
Our initial task is achieved by designing and 3D printing a gripper finger. The actuation is done with the help of pneumatics. The component is firmly held on a 3D printed and designed fixture. The component is held on its sides as there are some important integrated circuit on the bottom surface of the component.
Currently, we are using an inbuilt Epson software for programming such that the component is assembled inside the external housing or simply controller. In addition to this, the robot is programmed to reorient the gripper in order to actuate a lever mechanism to ensure complete assembly.
So as you guys have just witnessed, we have currently achieved the initial milestone of programming the robot and as well as carrying out the assembly process. But the upcoming tasks in our next phase of the project includes implementing a viable vision and sensor system that is capable of guiding the robot to pick the component from a buffer storage stack, then to identify an empty slot in the housing and correspondingly guiding the robot to assemble the component within the same. So for more updates, please stay tuned to our channel Mission Mentor.